So things just went from bad to a whole lot worse. Hey, welcome back to Working On It. Today we're going to be working on my 93 F Super Duty dump bed. So I picked this up not too long ago. It's been having issues starting. And when I got in there and looked at it, there's a snapped off glow plug. So we're going to blow this thing apart and get in there and try and extract it. And I figure while I'm doing that, I don't like the way it looks. So we're going to tear everything out and just replace it. And then hopefully get it painted and looking nice. So hopefully enjoy. Cue the montage. That sneaky fucker. Tell she didn't want to go right in this region. The road salt up here just eats these trucks alive. So everything you're seeing me take off pretty much is going to get replaced with something new and shiny. And I ain't being nice to it either. If it's going to break, I want to break it now. My work vehicles get parked for the winter, so they won't see salt. So as nice as I can get this thing, it's probably going to stay that way for quite some time. So here's the one I knew about. And then here's the one that just showed itself. I went to go unscrew it and the nut just spun. So I've been probably working on this for, God, probably an hour and a half, and I finally got it loose. Yeah, that wasn't fun. So there it is. Out. Minus the electrode. So I don't know why this borescope's so shitty. It usually does really well, but I think it's just a little bit too close to quarters for it and can't focus or something. I don't know. But I drilled this out and extracted that, and I did pretty good. I didn't mar up the threads. I didn't damage that seat, so now I'm just picking at it, trying to get it out. So I'm just going to pop this injector out and hopefully see what's going on in there. I'm really hoping that the electrode isn't stuck. I'm hoping that it was just the threads on that plug. Because if the electrode's carboned in, I'm kind of screwed. And you can soak it, but you got to have it really loose to just pop out like that. And I don't really foresee that happening. So I'm just having a peek in this injector hole here. I can see that electrode. It's hard to make out on the video, but in real life I could see it, and it seems free. It's jiggling, so we're going to try and work this thing out of here. If you're wondering what I'm doing, that borescope has a magnet attachment that just barely fits in there. If that just worked, I'm going to shit my pants. I heard something. I heard something. Fucking worked. So we're on to number 2. I'm just going to take this Dremel and flatten it out so that way we can hopefully drill straight. That's the plan anyway. Sure, why not? I'm just working super hard not to get off track here. Little bites, little bites. Oh, she moved. Oh, she moved. Oh, okay. 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 Good perch. Don't snap now, you fucker. Because you guys are right in the way. Ain't even helping. Just watching me grunt. She comes. Make room, here she comes. Fucking perfect. Perfect. These look like Bosh. You monsters. See if we can get it with that same vacuum trick. I can't believe that worked last time. Look at that. Can't believe. Well, now I know. 2 for 2. So there you have it. We got it out. Way cool. Both of these injectors were different, which kind of tells me that it's been a problem for a long time and people have been just passing the buck for cheap. So that's cool. Well, we got the truck cheap enough where I'm happy. Well, there you have it. That does it for this video. I'll get some parts headed our way and we can shove this thing back together in the next one. If you want to catch that, feel free to subscribe. And if you do, leave me a comment. Just say, hey, I subscribed. It gives me a chance to say thank you. Well, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.